God bless the grass that grows through the cracks. They pour the concrete over it and try to keep it back. The concrete gets tired of what it has to do. It breaks and it buckles, and the grass grows through. And God bless the grass. God bless the grass that grows through cement. It's green and it's tender and easily bent, but after a while it lifts up its head, for the grass is living, but the stone is dead. And God bless the grass. God bless the truth that fights toward the sun. They roll the lies over it and think that it is done. It runs through the ground and reaches for the air, and after a while it is growing everywhere. And God bless the grass. God bless the grass that's gentle and low. Its roots, they are deep, and its will is to grow. And God bless the truth, the friend of the poor, and the wild grass growing at the poor man's door. And God bless the grass. Hello, I'm Avram Friedman. I'm the director of the Canary Coalition, and I want to tell you about a fundraising event we're doing for the Canary Coalition on Thursday, February 4th at the Mad Batter in Sylva. This is an important event because we need to raise money to keep our organization going for the coming year of 2016. You may be aware of all the things that the Canary Coalition is doing within our community. We're a grassroots organization, and the grassroots are what bring change and improvement to our lives in Western North Carolina, throughout the country, and throughout the world. We're part of a worldwide movement, and it's important to sponsor and to support this organization on the local level. And at this event on February 4th, we're going to have a good time. We're going to play music. We have many local musicians coming to support the Canary Coalition, and the Mad Batter has been great in offering that venue for us to have this event. I hope you'll come out and join us, and please think about sponsoring this event. You'll be mentioned in the program if you're a business or an individual if you like, and we need you to help us support us. Please come on out on February 4th, Thursday. The event starts at 7 o'clock in the evening, and it'll be a great time. I hope you'll be there. Thanks.